This is a demonstration of how to pin out a network cable. This can be useful if you're going to create a long cable out of bulk cable, or if you have a busted end or need to repair a cable. They're often referred to as a 45 connector. And then here is the tester. This will tell you if your cable is pinned out. Alright, and let's go ahead and proceed with making the cable. And to start, we're going to remove the sheath, the outer edge of the cable. So take your cutters and go right around the outer edge. And you want to try to do that without cutting into the inner cables, which we're going to go ahead and peel apart. They'll come in pairs of orange and then green, blue, and brown. So you want to twist those apart and get those as straight as possible. What I like to do is get them in order, which the order is white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and white, brown, brown. So you have them in order, pinch between your fingers, and you can kind of straighten them out by twisting them back and forth. Try to get them as straight as possible. And do your first cut in one smooth cut with your scissors. And then kind of just let the cable naturally twist apart, and you'll see the cables aren't lined up perfectly, but keep them pinched between your fingers, kind of work them out, and then give it another cut as smooth and straight as possible. And then take your RJ45 connector and keep the tab down. The pin 1 is going to be on the far left. White orange is going to go into that. You're going to slide it in. Make sure it's snug. You can look in the end and you'll see the copper reflecting off the plastic. You'll know that it's all the way in there. Go ahead and crimp it. And then so now that we have a good crimp, we're going to go ahead and do the testing. So on the tester, plug one end into the RJ45 of the actual tester, and then this is the loop back. Plug the other end into that. And we're going to verify that we have a good crimp and a good cable. As you can see on the tester and the loop back, it's going through and everything matches up. We have pin 1 is matched, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know we have a good crimp and a good cable, and this cable is ready to use. So we have a straight through cable that can be used for